Good morning. It's time for day 3 of your Fundations week 2. Today you're going to need something to write with, so that could be a whiteboard marker and a whiteboard, or maybe a piece of paper and a pencil, but something to write on. All right, here we go. First, we're going to start by practicing our sounds. So say it after me. Z, zebra, z. I, itch, I. X, fox, x. E, ed, e. This time, since I is a vowel, and we know that because it's on the pink tile, we're going to extend our vowels because vowels are sounds that we hold. So, I, itch, I. One more time. I, itch, I. V, van, v. L, lamp, o. A, apple, a. S, snake, Q, U, queen, qua. O, octopus, ah. N, nut, n. U, up, Alright, we have some trick words. Remember that trick words can't be tapped out or sounded out. We just have to be able to look at them and know they're tricky words. This is the word is. What's that word? Is. This is the word his. What's that word? Very good. These two words are a lot alike because they both end with is. The difference, his says at the beginning. Is his. This is the word of. What's that word? Read them with me. Is, his, of. I'm going to show you a sentence. That is his ball. Say that with me. That is his ball. Now I'm going to circle. What word did I circle? You should have said is. That is. And now I'm circling another word. What word did I circle this time? His. Very good. Read the sentence one more time. That is his ball. Here's another sentence. I'm going to read it to you. Mom had a sip of water. You read it with me. Mom had a sip of water. I'm going to circle the word. What word did I circle? Very good. Say that sentence again. Mom had a sip of water. Good job. So our 3 trick words are circled. We had is, his, and of. This is when you need to get out your whiteboard and your whiteboard marker, or your paper and your pencil, whichever you have to write with. I'm going to work with our tiles. So I'm going to say a word, and you're going to write the letters, and I'm going to drag my tiles down. The first word we're going to do is mop. Let's tap it out first. Tap mop with me. I have my hand up. Here we go. Mop. Let's build mop. You're going to write it, and I'm going to build with my tiles. For we need an M. Go ahead and write your M. For I need an O. Go ahead and write your O. For I need a P. Go ahead and write your P. Very good. You should have M-O-P, and that spells the word mop. Okay, go ahead and erase. I'm going to drag my tiles over. Go ahead and erase. All right, our next word. Map. Say that word. Map. Now tap it with me. Map. Go ahead and write your word, and I'm going to build it with tiles. Go ahead and write. You should have an M-A-P because that spells map. Erase. Let's do one more together. Tap. Say that word. Tap. Now let's tap it together. Tap. Tap. Write your letters. We're going to put a T. I'm putting an A. I'm going to write a P. All right, let's tap that word one more time. Tap. Now it's time for you to practice. I'm going to say some words. After each word, I want you to pause the video, tap it out on your own, and write the word. So you're doing this on your own. I'm going to say the word. After each word, pause the video, tap it out, and write it on your whiteboard or on your piece of paper. Here are your words. Tub. Pause the video, tap it, and write it. Rub. Red. Once you have those 3 words on your writing board or on your paper, take a picture and put it on your seesaw for us to see. Your 3 words were rub, tub, lead.